Welcome to the virtual tour of number 3 Vincent Lane in Avondale Heights. Three Vincent Lane sits behind a laneway behind a group of shops with security gate entrance. The downstairs master bedroom is carpeted with full wall-to-wall built-in robes and window facing the laneway. And as you walk through, it has its ensuite with a double-sized shower and vanity. The property has a separate powder room downstairs, and the laundry goes straight out into the single lock-up garage and has plenty of cupboard space. Out into the single garage, it's remote control entry, and the rear door will take you directly out to the courtyard where the clothesline is accessible from the laundry. Downstairs has open plan living. All the windows have polished blinds. The property has ducted heating and ducted cooling through the ceiling. There is plenty of room there for a dining area that overlooks the low maintenance courtyard. Modern kitchen with island bench, plenty of cupboards on either side. Stone bench tops, double sink, dishwasher, glass splashback and overhead cupboards, 5-burner stainless steel stove, large wide oven and a spot there for microwave. The island bench again has plenty of cupboards and drawers on this side. Fridge space with overhead cupboards and pantry area. The property is double-storey, so as we come up stairs, please note that there is some wear and tear on the upstairs stairwell area and some of the carpets. Again, there's heating and cooling upstairs, and there is a central area perfect for a secondary lounge room or potentially a study area. This is the second bedroom. Again, ducted heating is throughout, and plenty of cupboard space. Quite high ceilings, downlights, central to the upstairs. This is the third bedroom, located upstairs. Plenty of cupboard space, nice and bright. High ceilings, Unfortunately, the power is not currently connected, but there is an additional room upstairs that is perfect for, I suppose, a gaming room or a storeroom. It is a little bit dark to see, but the area has some little raised bits, lots of little storage nooks, and some very interesting roof lines. There's no windows in this room, so it is dark, but for gamers, this would be the perfect space to have a gaming room. The main upstairs bathroom, toilet and the shower, vanity, tiled throughout, very high ceilings again, and bath.